In this video, I will show you how to request a refund on Steam. Now, in order to request a refund, you first need to purchase something on Steam. So if you have purchased something, it will be added right here into your library. Just head over right here to your library, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here all of the things that you have purchased. So for example, let's choose in here this Apex Legends. So if you want to request a refund for this one, you should be able to scroll down and see in here a refund option. However, if this is actually a free game, you won't be able to request a refund. So for example, let's find in here some games that are paid. So they have in here some games like this one. Let's click on this right here. And then, for example, if you have just purchased it and added it to your cart and checked that out, you need to reach certain requirements in order to actually refund. So, on some cases, you only need to have less than 100 hours of playtime, and you also need to return it within 14 days. So, if you meet those requirements, you should be able to refund that account or that particular game.